What it do, y'all? It's your boy Charles, and today, first of all, it is a glorious day to be a man of God. Hallelujah. Today we got something very special, very beast mode. All right, this right here, this joint right here, I'm gonna keep it 1,000 y'all. This is about to be a freestyle video. Will it be 10 minutes? Will it be 8 minutes? Will it be 5 minutes? We don't know. All I know is that we might as well get ready to sweat now. All right? So, freestyle, full body freestyle. So expect the unexpected. All right? With that being said, let me get my timer ready, and we're going to try to get a little music in the background, all right? So we're going to start in 3, 2, 1, hands up. Let's go. Let's go, keep going. Let's work.
I pray to say thank you for saving me.
Keep going. Let's work.
There is no way I could ever repay you.
That's right. Left, right.
So I praise your name. I just praise your name. Thank you for saving me.
Keep going, don't stop. 3,
I praise his name. Thank you for just saving me. Ain't no way I could repay you for saving me.
we're going to still keep that rest, that 30-second rest. Keep going.
I praise his name. Ain't no way I could repay you.
Let's go. 3, 2,
I praise
One.
his name.
Let's go.
Thank you for saving me.
bring it back up. Let's go. Let's work.
I get overwhelmed every time. No, he right Messiah. No, he is Messiah.
Let's go.
Yeah. I get overwhelmed every time. No, you cannot hear it. It's the Holy Spirit. Yeah. I get overwhelmed every time. No, he right Messiah. No, he is Messiah. I get overwhelmed every time. No, you cannot hear it. It's the Holy Spirit.
Stagger. Start from the side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's like a little mix of everything we've done so far. Let's go. 10 seconds. Let's go. Curl. Keep that other arm up. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Let's go. Other arm up. Other arm curl. Let's go. Work.
Yeah.
Work.
Just trying to feel like
Let's work.
throw my hands up. Check. Yo, if I had the money, man, I'm probably gonna murder on this joint. You know, man, shit, I live off bread alone for the word of God.
9, 8,
Alright,
7,
let's get it.
6,
Yeah.
5, 4.
Hello, a young black brother and I'm representing hello. Keen for the ones at my neck like a cello. Dreams, I ain't never been the one that had to sell those. Seems if you're throwing stones, you can go to hello. I had to stay high again. I ain't took a flight in a minute, trying to touch the sky again. Holy Spirit fills me, so I ain't gotta get high again. Trying to live righteous, so Jesus ain't gotta die again. It's showing time. Middle school, spring clean, boy, the way I'm on my grind. On my second shot, if it's foul, play up on the line. Used to flip your head if your tail ain't come up off the dime. Lost now, praying for forgiveness most so often time. Know he dragged me out them situations during the hardest time. Man, the consequences most times ain't worth doing the crime. God, I send my prayers to my brothers out there doing time. If you get the chance at redemption, just make sure the numbers even in the odds on me. Can't you tell that's the God in me? Man, that light shining bright and that's obviously. Can't you tell that's the God in me? I ain't taking no shorts, I don't eat no pork. Lyrics outside, man, I do this for sport. Man, that light shining bright and that's obviously. Can't you tell that's the God in me? I realize that I'm gifted lyrically, intricate, working towards the kingdom. Spiritually infinite, I gather all the voices in His name. Yeah, I'm lifting it, and that song period like the end of the sentence is. If I see struggling, my grace will do a pinch of it. And on the real, that song God don't mention it. Moved to New York on a mission, gotta finish it and drop me in the water so my life could begin again. I'm praying on the family. Praying for a loyal wife and kids that are standing. Praying I could be the best man that I can be. Praying when my niece gets to that age, get her a candy. Praying that I keep the Bible close to me handy. Praying for just a little buzz like Andy. Praying for my love and hip hop like Andy. Did I always pray to be the best man I can be? Even if the numbers even, then the odds on me. Can't you tell that's the God in me? Man, that light shining bright and that's obviously. Can't you tell that's the God in me? I ain't taking no shorts, I don't eat no pork. Holy lyrics off the top. Man, I do this for sport. Man, that light shining bright and that's obviously. Can't you tell that's the God in me? I'm cool with an average life, don't wanna really need much. Funny how the Holy Spirit still give you that weed rush. People tend to exaggerate, but they ain't really see much. Woke up another day, life in me, yeah, it'll breathe such for real, y'all, I'm thankful. I can move my feet because the shackles off my ankles. If you ain't flaunting money, look how backwards they paint you. Always stay humble cause the Lord, He'll spank you. So I ain't John Q's son, man. I got pure heart. He's in their head, God gave, man. It's just too smart. So what performed against me if they trying to dub? If you ask me to pray with you, alright, cool, what's up? Alright, Father God, I come to you as your humble servant, John, asking that you cover me in the blood of Jesus, shield me in the full armor of Christ. In Jesus' name, amen. Even if the numbers even, then the odds on me. Can't you tell that's the God in me? Man, that light shining bright and that's obviously. Can't you tell that's the God in me? I ain't taking no shorts, I don't eat no pork. Pouring lyrics off the top, man, I do this for sport. Man, that light shining bright and that's obviously.
Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Expect the unexpected, like the music going on. Let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Chest press. Let's go. Let's go. Chest press. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. We live and direct, guys. Sometimes the music go off. But guess what? We don't stop. We don't stop. We back in there in 10 seconds. We back in there in 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Push up. Let's go. Expect the unexpected. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Let's go. Let's go. Don't quit. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.